Welcome back to the channel. I want to show you guys a sync tip. Sometimes when you're cutting audio and video and you have them unlinked, so I'm going to go ahead and unlink these clips by selecting and hitting Command Option L, and you can see this little chain link icon in between the clips goes away. So now if we were to do a J or an L cut and we just wanted to move this, let's say we moved it and now it's out of sync. We're going to link them back up. So now this will tell me whether they're apart from each other. And what I mean by that is if I pull the audio, see how we get these little red indicators? Sometimes you'll do that when you have separated audio, maybe you got B-roll or a music track, and you're getting them out of sync. Well, here's a tip. With the three-dot menu in your source viewer, you can say Show Timecode Overlays. And if we look, V1 is 0203 and audio is 0220. So you can look as you drag this back into sync whether those time codes match up or not. If we go like that, you can see they're out of sync. If we go back to 0203, I got to zoom in a little bit to get it to do that. And now it's not working because you have to add that preceding audio. If it reaches the end of the clip, there's no time code to read. So here we go. We're going to keep lining them up so we could see 0203, 0203. And now if we were to pull this clip all the way back, just like this, and now grab just the audio clip, you can see it lands right back up. So you could tell further down the line where the sync point was in between those two clips by using this time code overlay. All right. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys on the next one.